What's going on, guys? It's Raven from Games for Days here, and today I'm going to be doing a part 2 to my ballad song tricks. Basically, the first time I did this didn't turn out so well, it didn't have very good quality, and it was in reverse, which I don't know how I was that dumb to realize that it'd be way harder if I just did it like this so you could easily see. So I'm going to be doing an overview of the tricks I did before, basically the same video, better quality, and a few more tricks. So let's get started. Basically, I'm going to be teaching you first what the parts are. So if I open it up, you know that this is the blade, obviously, this is the sharp side, and then this is the dull side. So this right here is the safety handle without the latch, and this right here is the bite handle with the latch. Because the bite handle is facing towards the blade, the safety handle is facing toward the dull side of the blade. So basically, the first trick that I want to show you is the basic opening. So you're going to be holding it by the safety handle, flicking it over your knuckles. So first, just try that. Grab it by the safe handle, flick it over your knuckles. Then you want to adjust your grip, so you go from this position to this position, and then you're going to flick it back like that, open your grip, and flick it forward. Practice this a couple of times, rewind, pause the video if you need to, flick it over your knuckles, twist it like that, whoops, and then like that. Alright, so now the next trick I want to show you is called the Zen rollover or the thumb rollover. So basically, the Y2K rollover is when you fling it down and it goes around. But the thumb and Zen rollover, which are the same thing, it's going around your thumb and then you're catching it. Okay, so basically, it's a lot more difficult to do the Y2K rollover. But once you master the thumb rollover, then you can get the Y2K rollover easily. So first, you're going to be, instead of holding it like this, hold it in reverse grip, holding it by the bite handle, and you're basically flicking it sideways. It might feel awkward at first, but you'll get used to it. Then, okay, it should look like this, just already. Okay, so that's basically the Zen rollover. And so you take it, you fling it over, it should go all the way around your knuckles, and you're going to grab it right here. After that, you're going to fling it down, open your grip, and fling it back up. Okay, so again, it should look like this. Oops. Hold on, try this again. Oops. Okay, so that's the Zen rollover. Next, what I want to show you is a trick that can lead perfectly into the Zen rollover, which you start in an opening. So first of all, you can open it any way you want. So here, I'll open it with the Zen rollover. I don't know why I can't do this on camera. Okay, so now that it's open, you're going to be holding it by the safety handle, and you're going to flick it over your knuckles, and after that, you're going to put your pointer finger right here, fling it over like that, and take your thumb back here, and you're going to push it down so that the blade, or it can kind of like draw a circle with your hands. So now after that, it can go, but now you're holding the safety handle this time. If you were to do this and go like that, it would unfortunately cut you, but with technique, you could put your finger right here, it would not, and you could immediately bring it back up, and you would not get cut. So it's, if you're using a trainer, it doesn't matter, but if you're using a real knife, be sure and be safe and learn a different technique to do that. Next trick I want to show you is it's basically half of a hellish, but I'm pretty much putting it in, like, we're going to be ending the trick just like this. Okay, so first of all, holding it by the bite handle, you're going to flick it around your fingers, and now this time, instead of grabbing it just like that, you're going to grab it with like that. So your three fingers, your pointer finger, and your thumb. And then after that, you're going to do this little twisting motion, like from here, and then go around and flick it around and go like that. Okay, so holding it by here, and then hold up, let's go like that, and then grab it like this, do a little twisty motion, and then fling it up, and there we go. Next trick that I want to show you involves throwing it up in the air. It's pretty much an aerial, but I don't know if it's a proper aerial yet, but it's just a trick that I like with a throw and kind of grip catch. So you're going to be holding it in reverse grip, again, by the safety handle this time, and you're going to be flicking it out. Just do that. So flick it out. You're going to be using the momentum where it goes forward again to let it go. So like this, and flinging it up. And you grab it like that. So like that, fling it down, up, and grab it. This might take a little bit of practice, and if you're using a real knife, especially be careful because this trick can be one of the most dangerous. So once again, holding it by the safety handle, down, up, catch. Alright, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned some, and goodbye.